Hello and welcome to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events. It is Sunday, March the 18th, and starting tomorrow, only on Channel 7, tomorrow, Monday, March the 19th, we are taking you inside the storm, a unique and exclusive partnership between KATV and one of the most premier storm chasing companies in the entire country, LiveStormsMedia. This is the time of the year that we see some of the most wild weather across the country in the springtime. And with this partnership, you are going to be able to see it every day in the morning and in the evenings, only on Channel 7, plus online, KATV.com, as well as social media. That's just one aspect of this partnership that we have at Channel 7 with LiveStormsMedia. The other, severe weather coverage. Unfortunately, it's a reality here in Arkansas. We get severe weather almost every month of the year, but especially in the springtime in our primary severe weather season. This unique partnership is going to be a game changer for us, and it's really going to be beneficial to you because no longer are we going to be guessing, well, I wouldn't say guessing, but looking at a Doppler radar and saying, hey, there's a tornado there or there's not a tornado there. We are going to have our own storm chasers from LiveStormsMedia in Arkansas, an exclusive partnership with them. So we're going to be able to talk to them. And we're going to have eyes and ears on the ground all over the state. We're also going to have numerous live video feeds that we're going to be able to take from these experienced storm chasers as they move into Arkansas. I hope we don't get severe weather, but again, it's a reality. So this is going to be a new partnership with Channel 7 and LiveStormsMedia every single day this spring. And it's, like I told you, it's going to be extremely beneficial when we do get those severe weather events with these storm chasers, and we're going to be able to talk to them on the air, Channel 7, and we're going to be showing you their live video streams. And I've known this company. I know the guy who runs this company, and they have dozens that travel all throughout the United States. And they get some of the best and most incredible video, and now we have that unique partnership with Channel 7. So, like I said, I hate that we get the severe weather, but since we are going to get it this spring, and we typically do, we're going to have the best assets at our disposal to make sure you are warned and to protect lives and properties and to give you that, that knowledge of what's coming, and that's what's going to be able to help us out tremendously. So, I want to talk about the severe weather threat for today and the severe weather threat for tonight and into Monday. I'm not overly concerned about this event. There is, of course, there's a slight risk, so you have to have some concern. But the instability which is needed to create big thunderstorms is really lacking, and it's not in Arkansas. It's mainly south and west of Arkansas. However, with that said, I can see some showers and thunderstorms developing later on this afternoon. I'm recording this right around 1 o'clock. But I also think that the threat for thunderstorms will increase late tonight, probably tomorrow morning at 3 a.m. and after. And again, those storms, if they do develop, I think the primary threat with that will be hail. So meteorologist Linda May will be tracking that for you coming up on Channel 7, Daybreak, which starts at 4:30 and goes through 7 o'clock. And then Good Morning Arkansas starts at 9 o'clock. Let me show you the risk areas right now. This is from the Storm Prediction Center, and they have placed southern Arkansas. They've shoved this a little bit further towards the south, but this is a slight risk again today, and this is on the low end. I'm not overly impressed with this setup, but while there's that chance this late this afternoon, evening, I think that there's maybe another one coming up. I'm going to show this to you with simulated radar early on Monday morning, and plus some interesting weather coming up on Tuesday as well. So severe hail, we're talking about 1 inch in diameter or greater. This is not looking like the event that we had last weekend, but a medium threat for that. You can see that in southwestern Arkansas. I would have actually extended it a little bit further towards the north to account for anything in this area here later on tonight. The severe wind threat, I'm not quite sure why it's in the medium. I would have put it in low, but consider it in the medium. And tornadoes, it's March. You can never rule that out. But I'm not overly concerned with the tornado threat. But again, it's March, so we can't rule it out. Now, to weatherbell.com, and what we're looking at here is the 3-kilometer NAM. Again, from weatherbell.com. Simulated radar. Focused in on Arkansas, you can see. And it's never, simulated radar is never perfect. But what this is going to do is show you what I'm expecting and how this is going to develop. Right now, it's showing that there should be showers and thunderstorms developing by about 1 o'clock, and I don't see much of that happening. But I do think there will be some development, and then it will translate into northern Arkansas, and it will be mainly rain. There could be an embedded thunderstorm in there, and if one does develop, there could be some small hail. But I don't expect it to be that big of a deal, mainly some rainfall. And then I think things settle down. There may be some thunderstorms which develop in Texas, and then they push towards the east, and then they fizzle out. What I'm going to watch right here, this is, I got to make sure I got all this right, 3 o'clock in the morning. As the front starts to move into eastern Oklahoma, this is simulated radar, and there could be a few thunderstorms which develop. If these thunderstorms get going, I think the main threat would be some hail out of this. And then this is at, I got to remember, we're in daylight saving time now, and I got to make sure I get the Zulu time correct here. So this would be at 5 a.m. Meteorologist Melinda Mayo will be tracking this. And then you see these thunderstorms coming across. So this is at 6 a.m. And again, if these do develop, the main threat would be some hail. When we look at surface-based instability, this is at the same time, nothing there. Hardly anything. It's in southern Arkansas, a little bit over here in Oklahoma. So where these thunderstorms are, they're going to be elevated, which means the main threat is going to be some thunder and lightning and some heavy rain and some hail out of that. Then that moves across, and it's out of here by late Monday morning. So then we warm up. We get some strong west and southwesterly winds. We warm up big time on Monday, quite possibly well into the 70s to near 80 degrees. And then the cold air starts to come back in, and the seesaw of the temperatures back down. Let me go back here. Let's just look at the temperatures. I can do that. The temperatures for Monday. Come on. So this is Monday afternoon. It's got us in the 70s and mid-70s across southern Arkansas. I think there's the threat that it could be a little bit warmer than that. Now watch what happens on Tuesday. So this is Tuesday. Let me just go a little bit further into the day. Let's go 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock in the afternoon, it's in the 50s. So another dip on Tuesday with the temperatures. And then when we look at the simulated radar, I'll back this up. Tuesday morning, you see some showers trying to come across the state. So there will be a small chance, especially for the first part of Tuesday, for some rain showers. After that, I just don't see much going on until maybe next weekend. So let me just summarize here. Today, very low chance for showers and for thunderstorms. And if a thunderstorm does develop, the main threat would be hail. And then tonight, later tonight, probably after 3 o'clock, there could be the development of some thunderstorms. And that's the key word here, could be. And from those thunderstorms, there could be some hail potential with those. And that would probably end by later Monday morning. It'll be warm, it's going to be breezy, and then the temperatures start to drop for Tuesday with rain showers during the first half of Tuesday. And of course, we have Inside the Storm, our partnership with LiveStormsMedia. Every single day on Channel 7, KATV.com, and on social media, we are going to take you all across the country to some of the wildest weather that you're going to see. I know these guys, they get some incredible video. And it's that time of the year where some wild and wacky stuff happens all across our country, from snowstorms to severe weather, you name it. And also, in addition to that, we are going to have their storm chasers on our team at Channel 7. Hopefully, we can keep the severe weather away, but, you know, it's Arkansas and it's spring. And if we're going to have severe weather, I want these guys in our backyard helping us out, and we've got that at Channel 7. Thank you very much for coming to the Arkansas Weather Blog. We are your ticket to big weather events.